Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft on your Asus ROG Ally. First, ensure your device is fully charged and updated to its latest software for optimal performance. Next, connect to a stable and fast internet connection. This is crucial for downloading the game and ensuring a smooth online experience. Finally, have your Net account details ready, as you will need them to log in and access World of Warcraft. Once your ally is ready, navigate to the official Blizzard website to download the Net desktop application. Install the launcher, then log in using your Net account credentials. From your game library, select World of Warcraft and initiate the installation. It is recommended to install the game on your device's fast internal storage for quicker loading times and better overall performance during gameplay. To optimize your experience, adjust World of Warcraft's in-game graphics settings. Aim for a balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate, perhaps medium to high settings. Use the ROG Ally's robust control mapping software to customize keybinds, making combat and navigation intuitive. Experiment with the device's performance modes to find the sweet spot for power and battery life, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable adventure. To further enhance your gameplay, actively manage your ally's battery life by adjusting screen brightness and power profiles. For longer sessions or more complex content, consider connecting external accessories such as a mouse, keyboard, or even a larger display. Explore online community forums for specific tips and add-on recommendations tailored for handheld play. Enjoy the incredible flexibility of adventuring across Azeroth from virtually anywhere with your powerful Asus ROG Ally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.